To parallel park, first pull up next to the car in front of the open parking spot. Leave about 2 to 3 feet, half to 1 meter, of space between your car and the other car. Turn on your blinker so the other drivers know you're parallel parking. Next, reverse until the middle of your car is lined up with the rear bumper of the other car. Then, turn the steering wheel all the way toward the curb and slowly reverse at a 45-degree angle until you can see the headlights of the car parked behind you in your driver's side mirror. Slowly straighten out your wheel as you continue to reverse into the parking spot. Finally, stop reversing once your car is parallel with the curb. You may have to turn your wheel to the right and drive forward to correct your car's angle in the spot. Finally, always make sure there are 12 to 18 inches of space, 30 to 45 centimeters, between your car and the curb.